fantastico. Let's everybody do Giro, 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 Tondo. You can speak Spanish called means turn around. You can speak Spanish of Giro, Giro, Tondo. Oh boy, wow, that was amazing. I really love to do that song called Giro, Giro, Tondo. Oh boy, come on everybody, let's do Giro, Tondo.
Sounds great. Coming up, I'm on it. Ride 'em, cowboy. Yeehaw! Whirl a squirrel. Nice shot. Good one. So that's how you want to play. Nice steal. You're speedy.
Well, what did you find out where those Spanish where we are? Oh, lovely. I love to do that song called Giro, Giro, Tondo. Wow, that was some like the kind of dancing. I really love to do Giro, Giro, Tondo. Oh, I really love to dance. Oh, that was perfect. I really love to dance. Oh boy, that was fun. Excellent. Oh, that was great. I really can't wait to see what your Spanish dancing like this. We could speak too.